Game on.
Come on, man.
Damn, it didn't take too long to lose it. Hang on. Dude, I'm having a hard time with the glare of the sun. I think I'm getting sky.
Yeah, you should probably move it to the shade, huh? You want to move it to the shade?
Yeah, I need to move it to a viewfinder. This tripod ain't making things easier. Very cool, man. You got some consecutive action there. Hey man, I'm done with this tripod. Hang on, hang on. Dude, I'm switching to my camera, that's it. I'm getting the worst footage ever.
Oh, really?
Dude, I'm getting...
Okay,
I'm just looking for it. Whew. Let me just do it hand manual.
Hand manual. You want to try monopod out there? You want to do hand or mono? Yeah.
Where's that zoom thing? Oh, I see, I see.
It's already at 3.8.
Okay, okay.
So your mono ready?
I'm gonna go left-handed with a right-hand shade cover. I need like a hood that goes on top of my head. We got Yeah, I got a much better than the last time. Oh shit!
Oh, shit!
Ooh!
Shit! I forgot to go idle.
Ah!
Ah, shit! You got some crash footage?
I don't know if I got crash footage or because I was trying to search for it. Oh man.
That was a really bad crash, dude.
Yikes, dude. Blade over here, blade over there.